Okay, so hello everybody and welcome back to another video on RGTeamDevs. I'm Garish and today I'm going to make a tutorial about how we are editing our videos, because the editing part is, I can say, the most important part of our process of making videos, because we can cut what we made wrong, we can put some green screens, we can put some sound effects, and I'll teach you how to do them. But firstly, I need to thank you. We need to thank you for 62 subscribers and for a lot of views and support from you. So the last video with Among Us, we made 204 views with a lot of comments. But on this video, which also has a lot of views, we saw a comment, this comment from this girl, I can see, made us to do this video. I like your editing. If I sub, would you make a video about editing? And we said of course. So now let's start. Okay guys, so this is the program or the application which we are using. It's named DaVinci Resolve. It's a very professional one, used in a lot of films, so you can do whatever you want with it, and it is also free. So you just need to search on your browser DaVinci Resolve, and you're going to go on this site. Alright, here you can see DaVinci Resolve 17. We have 16, but it's okay, I don't know. So you just need to click on download. Now we have DaVinci Resolve 16. You're going to select what you have. We have Windows, okay, beta. Alright, Windows, and here you are going to put some details. I can say your first name, your last name, your company name, your email, your phone, your country, your state, your city, your product information, and some, I don't know, if you want something new on the application, you can tell them here. You can put whatever you want, I don't know, like this. It is going to let you download. So after you're downloading it, you'll have a setup. It's very easy. You just need to accept the terms and conditions and to install it. It's very simple. So let's go on the application. Okay, so here is the application. It has a shortcut with like this. So, and it is named Resolve. Well, now you just need to open it. Alright, also leave a like if you want more tutorials, and also subscribe if you want some more videos, and also leave a comment if you have some suggestions, or if you want to support us. We are going to read all of them. Alright, like I said, we have DaVinci Resolve 16. It is going to open like this. Alright, and this is, as you can see, we have here some projects. Also I think, alright, this is posted already. I don't know this, maybe I think it's the second or third video. Alright, so you can see here, you are going to click on new project to create a new one. Alright, so new project. Here you are going to name your project, project, I don't know, test. Alright, and now we are on. So I know it seems complicated, but it is not. Alright, so here we have all the media and all the things you want to use on your video. Alright, and And here is our some tools, I can say. I'm, I'm always using this one. So alright, this is the mixer. Mixer. To activate it, you just need to press on this button. Alright, and it's on. Here you can volume up or down your elements from the editor. Alright, here you have the effects library. Look, like, to activate it you just need to press on this button. Video transitions, there are some effects. Alright, audio transitions, titles, here you can put some text and a lot of stuff, and subtitle. There are some generators like solid colors. You just put a solid color like black or red or something like that. Alright, and there are some effects. Okay, and there are a lot of effects and filters, like you can see here. Alright, well, so this is the media pool. If you press it, you are going to see all the things right here. Alright, I use it like this. Okay, there will appear your video which you wanna edit, and here are gonna be some, I don't know, if you put like a green screen or something, it's going to appear right here. Alright, here is the inspector, but you can use it on the text. Look, so where is the, okay, so I'm putting the text right here. I don't know, this tutorial is awesome. Okay, well, here you can change how the text can be. Look, you just need to do like this. Alright, here you can change the color. It's very simple. The size. Okay guys, so for no reason the video just stopped, and here we go again. So now I have a video and some green screens and some audio effects right here. Alright, I'm just going to drag them right here. Alright, and they are on the editor. Alright, so this is the video, a test made by me in like 3 segments. Alright, so you just need to drag it right here. Okay, so the video is on video 1, the text is on video 2, and there are much more. There is audio 1. Look, I can volume up or down from the mixer, and I just need to say that the green screens and the audio effects are on the network, because you can't find them in the application. You need to type on YouTube like green screens or something, download with no copyright, and there are so much videos made by cool guys with more green screens. Alright, so look, I have here the video from, look, it appeared here. So from this button I can play the video. As you can see, the text appears on the middle of the skin of the screen. You can also do this or this, how you prefer. Okay, so if you wanna move the text like on the bottom or something, you just need to press on this button on transform. Look, you have also crop, dynamic zoom, open FX overlay, a lot of things. So look, and now you can move it, scale it, and you can put this right here. Alright, good. So now from here you can skip it and things like this. Now I'm going to show you how to use a green screen and how to put it. So this green screen is a video with a green screen in the back. I don't know how to explain. Look, there are, look, so I'm going to put this right here, and as you can see, this is all green. So but you don't like the green in the back, you want something different. All right, so you just need to right click on this, go on open in Fusion page. It is going to open in 2 or 3 seconds, and look, here we are. Okay, so you're going to left click on this to select it, and now you are going to press shift and space in the same time until it goes like this, and now you are going to search delta keyer, look, and add it. All right, so here let me pause this. Okay, here you can see this tool, you are going to drag it on it, and as you can see, the back is transparent, and you can also play with these colors right here and effects. It's very cool. Now you are going to go back on what you use, and as you can see, the green screen is playing.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Oh shit, here we go again. And as always, we can move it and scale it like this by pressing this button. Alright, you just need to put it like you want, I don't know, like this, I don't know. And this tutorial is awesome, and things like this, and now it is going to appear
shit, here we go again.
Like this. Alright, I have also a pop audio effect. Look, I'm going to drag it right there. Alright, and you can put it however you want, like in a part where it needs to be used or something, wherever you want it. Look, and you can also duplicate it by Control C and paste it. Alright, if you want to delete something, you can go by pressing on the thing that you want to delete, and by pressing del button, delete, and it is going to get deleted. And if you want to put some music or something on a long clip, you just go on this, or not on this, or yeah, I think on this, I just missed out. Alright, my mistake. And here you have everything, like, but in some smaller size, I can say, in a different size. Alright, okay, if you wanna cut, look, there is the mouse, so, and this is the cut tool. By pressing it, you are going to activate, and you can see a red small line going with your mouse, with your cursor. And now when you click on something, you can see that it has been cut. Look, I can move it, and if you wanna undo the progress, you're going to press Ctrl and Z, and it is going to be alright. And there are much tools like this, the size of the video. Alright, and here you have some the generators. You can put a solid color, you can select the color like this, and it is going to appear like this. Alright, at the mixer, you can see the audio 1 to 2 and main 1. You can also adjust the volume like this, particularly on every audio element. You can drag them, you can enlarge them, you can lengthen them, I wanted to say. And here you have the inspector. You can use it on elements like this. You can deactivate it, deactivate it. Alright, so to export a file, you just go File, Quick Export, and here you are going to see all the things, like the resolution, the time, and a lot of stuff. You can also put directly on YouTube, but I do not recommend it, but because you can I don't know, you can make some mistakes at the editing, and it is going to be on YouTube with all the mistakes. So this was the tutorial. We hope you liked it and you learned something from it. We were RG Team. Leave a like and subscribe and be safe.